Nothing brings people together like an outdoor gathering. And of course, the food, especially when it's fresh off the grill. But with human error, there can be some mistakes, like forgetting to turn the gas off the night before. And with hungry guests to feed, that's not exactly ideal. Luckily, there's a solution to this common grilling problem. Introducing the No Worriez gas shutoff timer. The No Worriez timer is ready to use right out of the package. And once installed and set, the internal timing mechanism remembers to turn off the gas, even when you don't, taking away the worry each time you grill. With the No Worriez timer, you'll be prepared for every occasion, which is particularly helpful when you have guests and lots of hungry mouths to feed. The only accident you have to worry about is eating too much food. And after the successful event, you are now able to fully enjoy. You can sit back, relax, and unwind. But what happens when you do leave the gas on? No worries. You can be confident in knowing that the No Worriez timer will turn off the gas exactly when you need it to. Because with No Worriez, you're all set.